Hey there, fellow witches and spiritual seekers. Welcome back to Witchy Spiritual Stuff, the podcast where we explore all things magical and mystical. I'm your host, Elementually, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we dive deep into the wonderful world of tarot cards and creativity. Now, if you're anything like me, you love finding new and exciting ways to explore your creativity and intuition. And that's where tarot cards come in. These little cards may be known for their ability to predict the future, but they're also a powerful tool for unlocking your inner artist and tapping into your subconscious. So, let's get into it. When it comes to using tarot cards for creativity, the first step is to let go of any rules or guidelines. There's no right or wrong way to use tarot cards when it comes to boosting your creativity. It's all about finding what works best for you in your unique creative process. One fun way to use tarot cards for creativity is to draw a card and use it as a prompt for free writing. What's free writing, you ask? It's a technique where you write continuously for a set amount of time without worrying about grammar or structure. When you draw a tarot card and use it as a prompt for your free writing, you let your subconscious mind guide your writing process. You might be surprised at the ideas that come to you when you allow yourself to write freely without any limitations. Another fun way to use tarot cards for creativity is to draw a card and use it as a visual prompt for your art. Whether you're a painter, sculptor, or mixed media artist, tarot cards can be an excellent source of inspiration for your work. For example, if you draw the Empress card, you might be inspired to create a painting or drawing that celebrates the beauty of nature or motherhood. If you draw the Tower card, you might be inspired to create a sculpture or installation that explores themes of destruction and rebirth. The possibilities are truly endless. Tarot cards can also be a source of inspiration for your music. You can draw a card and let the mood or message of the card guide your songwriting. If you draw the High Priestess card, for example, you might be inspired to write a dreamy, ethereal song that explores the mysteries of the universe. If you draw the Chariot card, you might be inspired to write an upbeat, empowering song that celebrates taking action and moving forward in life. But wait, there's more. One of my favorite ways to use tarot cards for creativity is to incorporate them into my daily journaling practice. I draw a card each morning and use it as a starting point for my journal entry. The card might inspire me to reflect on a particular aspect of my life, or it might give me an idea for a creative project. Using tarot cards in this way helps me stay grounded and connected to my intuition throughout the day. So, there you have it, witches and wizards. Some fun and exciting ways to use tarot cards to enhance your creativity. Whether you're a writer, artist, musician, or just someone looking to shake up your routine and try something new, tarot cards can be an excellent addition to your creative toolkit. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Witchy Spiritual Stuff. If you want to learn more about tarot cards and how they can enhance your spirituality and creativity, be sure to check out my blog at witchespiritualstuff.com and follow me everywhere at Elementually for more tips and insights. And if you have any fun or unique ways you like to use tarot cards for creativity, be sure to share them with me on social media. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of witchcraft and spirituality. Remember, there are no limits to your creativity and intuition, and tarot cards are just one of the many tools you can use to unlock your full potential. But before we go, let's do a quick tarot card reading together. I'm going to draw a card from my deck and share its message with you. Are you ready? Okay, the card I've drawn is the Star. This card represents hope, inspiration, and renewal. It's a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always a glimmer of light that can guide us forward. So, if you're feeling stuck or uninspired, take heart. The universe is full of infinite possibilities, and all you have to do is keep moving forward with an open heart and an open mind. Well, that's all for now, my fellow witches and wizards. Thank you for tuning into Witchy Spiritual Stuff, and I hope you've enjoyed our exploration of tarot cards and creativity. Until next time, stay curious, stay magical, and keep shining your light for all the world to see. Blessed be.